A flashing red light on your Spectrum modem, particularly on the online or internet indicator, signals a loss of internet connectivity. This usually means your modem is trying to connect but failing. Common causes include loose or damaged coaxial cables, service outages in your area, or issues with the modem itself. Spectrum uses LED indicators to show modem status. Solid green means full connectivity, flashing green means connecting, solid red means no signal, and flashing red means trying to connect but failing. Newer Spectrum modems, like the advanced Wi-Fi 6E router, have AI-driven diagnostics that automatically attempt to fix this, but it's important to understand the basics for troubleshooting. If you see a flashing red light, start troubleshooting. First, check that your coaxial cable is securely attached and undamaged. A frayed or loose cable is a common culprit. Next, power cycle your modem. Unplug it for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Use the Spectrum app or access modem diagnostics at 192.168.100.1 to check the signal strength. If the problem persists, contact Spectrum support, providing your modem's serial number. Looking ahead, trends like mesh networks and AI-driven modems aim to reduce these connectivity issues. Spectrum emphasizes whole home Wi-Fi systems that reduce dependence on a single modem. Expect proactive connectivity that will preempt many red flashing events.